This is Cardinal Circuit with a video demonstration of a 2007 K.I.S.S 102 Selective Soldering Console. This Selective Soldering Machine is Windows XP OS based software. There's manual board placement upon manually adjustable slide rails. Changeable solder pots, currently with lead-free solder pot installed. As you can see, the live feed camera for nozzle flow, the nozzle itself. The monitor for the live feed solder flow. Digital gauge for adjustable pot temperature. Stepper on and off switches for the lead screw rails and motor system. That is the pot on off, pump on off, low solder sensor warning, indication lights, start buttons for machine operation, adjustable pump speed to adjust flow rate as needed. And we will be beginning a demo profile to demonstrate flux nozzle function and movement of the solder pot during operation. Now the K.I.S.S 102 can function in both X, Y, and Z axes for multiple configurations and varying degrees of programming. K.I.S.S 102 is programmed using G codes. As you can see, the software is slowly going line by line for each movement. During entire function, live video feed of nozzle flow, which will be demonstrated. As you can see, fluxer operation as attached to solder pot. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at our website of cardinalcircuit.com, the link provided below. Thank you.